Hello friends, welcome to Mira's Little World. As you can see, today's recipe is tasty and delicious pancakes. So let's get started. For this, first we need is 300 grams of flour. To that we'll add 1 teaspoon of eno powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and we are going to mix it really well. Now let's make our egg batter. For that we'll crack 1 egg. Then we'll add powdered sugar about 2 tablespoons. Then we are going to mix it really well. Now we will add milk about 250 ml. We'll mix it. Then to this we will add melted butter about 50 grams. Make sure the egg, milk and the butter is room temperature. Well, our egg batter is now ready. Now we are going to add this to the flour. Add the egg batter slowly so that it doesn't form any lumps. We are going to mix it really well. Now add milk according to your flour and mix it really well till it smooths. Then for the pink color we are going to add beetroot paste about 1 tablespoon. For the beetroot paste, boil the beetroot for about 5 minutes, then keep it to cool down and blend it. By this we will not have a raw taste of beetroot. If you're first time in our channel, please do subscribe. Mix it really well so that no lumps are formed in it. Now we are going to add vanilla essence about half a teaspoon. And we're going to mix it. And you can see the consistency, it's really smooth. Now we'll heat the pan and add the batter. Make sure the flame is low to medium. Now you can see small spots are coming. We're going to flip it. So our pancakes are now ready. Top it up with some berries, strawberry syrup, because it's now going on Barbie. So we have made it into pink pancakes. Enjoy this tasty and delicious pancake. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications on time.